Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to air roll in Rocket League and improve your control in the air. Air roll allows you to rotate your car while airborne to adjust your angle for better shots and recoveries. First, check your controls and settings and make sure air roll is properly bound. Many players bind regular air roll to a button like L1 or left bumper, and some also bind air roll left or right separately. To start, jump into the air and hold your air roll button while moving your joystick to rotate your car. Practice small adjustments instead of spinning wildly. The goal is controlled rotation, not random movement. Use air roll mainly when going for aerial shots, landing smoothly, or recovering quickly after hitting the ball. A good way to practice is in free play. Jump, boost up, and try to keep your car balanced while air rolling slightly before landing. Focus on smooth landings on your wheels. With time and repetition, air roll will feel natural and give you much better control during fast plays. Subscribe the channel for more videos.